to see things that I loved and cared for just destroyed. It's hard, they're living things.
New tonight, the ice storm leaving a small business in Old Hickory nearly empty after losing power for a full week. The owner of a local plant shop says she lost more than $100,000 in inventory and then was told insurance won't cover it. Fox 17 News, Madeline Nolan joining us live in Old Hickory with her story tonight. Madeline.
Yes, Megan, Lawrence and Clarke Cacti Co has been a staple right here in Old Hickory for nearly 9 years. But tonight, the owner says that after this ice storm and a denied insurance claim, it has had her felting losses that she could have never imagined.
This is my plant shop. It's normally filled with beautiful plants. When you walk in, you're usually greeted by hanging baskets across here and here. So there's just trails of foliage everywhere. This right here is our highlight cactus and succulent room. So normally along that wall is great big beautiful cactus from all over the region.
All of it gone after power went out during last week's ice storm.
It's strange to see it like this. We have bagged up literally hundreds, if not thousands of plants that didn't make it.
Daft says temperatures dropped so low the plants were cold damaged beyond selling.
We hold a license with the State of Tennessee Department of Ag, and we have to sell healthy plants.
She called her insurance company right away and was initially told they were covered.
First, they told us, this is okay, we've got coverage for it. They said you have coverage for your lost inventory, you have coverage for your loss of income.
But days later, that changed.
I don't know what changed, but the adjuster called me this morning and said that they are no longer covering the claim, that they have decided that instead of calling the plants damaged, they're calling them spoiled.
More than $100,000 in inventory loss, plus about $22,000 in revenue for being closed this past week at the worst time of year for a small business.
What were we paying for? What were they insuring if they were not insuring my inventory and my loss of income?
I reached out to State Farm asking how it defines spoilage versus physical damage in commercial policies and how that applies to a business whose inventory is live plants. State Farm did not directly answer those questions.
I love these plants. I cared for them. We pour ourselves into it. And it's really hard to see it like this.
Devastated, Daft shared her story on social media.
We are getting nothing, and we have lost everything.
People have already been donating. It's the most incredible thing I've ever experienced. I've never seen people pour out love like that for us.
She's donating surviving but unsellable plants to classrooms and hopes to reopen this weekend with a new delivery and a lot of heart.
We're going to rebuild it because my heart's still here.
Now, she does plan on appealing this insurance decision. State Farm, though, told me that what is covered is going to be unique to each business. They did provide a statement to us, and you can head over to our website at fox17.com for that full statement. In the meantime, the community has her back. Her GoFundMe that was set up earlier this morning has already raised $42,000, and that, again, is just the start. Reporting live here in Old Hickory, I'm Madeline Nolan, Fox 17 News, your Code Red station.